Hey guys, I've received a few questions asking how to hang your plant hanger without a ring. I have two methods for you, the second will be out next week. Let's get started on the first method. For this method, we will use square knots to create a loop. We will be using two 6-foot pieces of 5mm rope to tie the square knots. Alternatively, you can add 6 feet of rope to the length of two of the pieces you plan on using to create your plant hanger. I'll explain this in a little bit more detail later in this tutorial. Place the cords that you are using to create your plant hanger along a flat surface. Find the middle of the cords and then place one 6-foot cord on the left and the other 6-foot cord on the right. Tie your first square knot, leaving about 1 foot of the rope that you are using to tie your square knots above the first square knot. Tie 9 more square knots, 10 square knots total. Fold the square knot sinnet in half. This will create a loop that will be used instead of the ring to hang your plant hanger. Use a scrap piece of rope that is about 2.5 feet long and tie a gathering knot underneath the square knot section to secure the loop. Adjust the gathering knot if necessary so it sits right underneath the square knot section. Cut off the ends. Use a tapestry needle to tuck in the ends that are left hanging outside of the gathering knot. You will also need to cut off the ends that are left over from the square knot section, so that's 4 ends total. If you were to add 6 feet to the length of 2 cords that you are already planning to use for your plant hanger, and tied your square knots with those cords, then you wouldn't need to cut the ends because you would continue using them to create your plant hanger. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.